Animating laughter is honestly quite challenging, so here's some tricks and advice to use that will help you out. First step is figuring out your basic pose. Unless you are animating a very weak laugh, it's best to avoid your character having a straight back. Instead, have them bend backward or forward. You'll notice people will do this in real life when they laugh as well. Arms and hands might be hugging the stomach area, held out in front, or close up to the face. Now let's go over the movement. I've seen animations where the chest will go in and out, and you'll notice here that this doesn't look quite right. Instead, move the shoulders up and down. If the hands are held out, they will move up and down with the shoulders. The mouth should be held wide open and may move in sync with the shoulders, opening wider as the shoulders go up. The mouth should only close if the person stops laughing. Also, don't make it go through this cycle too fast. This person is not laughing, they need medical attention. If you're using audio, time the cycle to the audio. Right now, I only have 2 frames that are alternating, so I'm just going to add a couple more. I'm drawing these 2 frames really close to the 2 I already have, so there is a jump between the raised shoulders and wide open mouth and the lowered shoulders and less open mouth. If you place everything evenly in an animation, there won't be any change in pace, which is not how movement in real life works, and just ends up looking pretty bland. Now, this is the most basic laughing animation you can do, but there's plenty of ways to build off of this. In my laughing animation tests I did some time ago, I added more movement and variety. Doing this will depend on how your character is laughing. One simple addition you can make though is moving the head. I think it looks best going down when the shoulders go up. Now that's all I've got on animating laughter, but before you go, I just want to say mega thanks for 1,000 subscribers, and in celebration I'm plotting a Q&A. I've already got some great questions over on my community tab, but if you haven't asked any yet, or just have more, feel free to drop as many questions as you'd like in the comments, and I will answer a bunch in my next video.